In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change clothing color in CapCut. Whether you're looking to create eye-catching content, fix wardrobe inconsistencies, or just experiment with creative visuals, CapCut makes this process surprisingly simple and fun. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through everything you need to know, from importing your project to fine-tuning the final look. And if you're new to CapCut, this is the perfect opportunity to dive in. It's an incredibly versatile video editing tool that's free and user-friendly. If you haven't downloaded it yet or created an account, you can find a link in the description below to get started. Now let's jump right in. First, open the CapCut app and tap the plus sign to create a new project. This is the starting point that allows you to bring in the image or video where you want to change the clothing color. Once you've tapped the plus sign, the app will prompt you to select a file from your gallery. Next, choose the image or video you want to work on and import it into your project. If you're working with a high-quality image or video, keep in mind that it might take a few seconds to load, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Now, if you're working with a video, slide through the timeline until you reach the specific frame where the clothing you want to edit is most visible. Once you've found that perfect frame, tap the split tool. This step helps isolate the part of the video you want to edit, ensuring your changes apply only to the relevant section. If you're working with a photo, you can skip this step entirely and move on. The next step is to remove the background from your image or video frame. To do this, use the Remove Background tool, which automatically separates the subject from everything else. This makes it much easier to focus on editing the clothing without worrying about the backdrop or other elements like skin. Now, it's worth mentioning that the automatic background removal might not always be perfect, especially if the clothing has intricate details or the background is particularly busy. But don't worry, we can refine it further. To fine-tune the background removal, select the Custom Removal option. This tool allows you to make precise adjustments and ensure only the clothing is selected for color changes. Use the Paint or Selection tools to carefully refine the edges, especially around tricky areas like sleeves, collars, or hems. Zoom in as needed to get those details just right. Taking a little extra time here will make a big difference in the final result. Once the background is set, navigate to the Adjust panel. This is where the magic happens. In this panel, you have several options for modifying the clothing color. You can use the basic color wheel to shift the hues for a creative look, or explore the HSL sliders, which stand for hue, saturation, and luminance. These sliders give you finer control over the color adjustments, so you can achieve the exact shade you're aiming for. Take your time to experiment with these settings and find the perfect tone to match your vision. If you're editing a video clip and you want the clothing color change to appear smoothly, it's time to add a transition. Select a transition effect like fade or dissolve to create a seamless look between the original frame and the adjusted frame. This step helps your edit appear more polished and professional, so it's worth taking the time to test a few transitions and see which one fits best with your project. Finally, make any additional tweaks to the color adjustments to ensure the result looks natural or bold if that's what you're going for. It may take a few tries to get the shade just right, so don't be afraid to go back and refine your work until you're fully satisfied. And that's it. You've successfully changed the clothing color in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.